Hi, this is Arun here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use C++ program in Visual Studio Code. So just open your browser and write Visual Studio Code and open first link. Once you open this link, then you can download for Windows this and Mac for this. So I'm using Mac. I already downloaded this. So once you downloaded, just open the Visual Studio Code. So once you open it, just come here and add the C++ extension. You need to write here C++. Once you add it, in my case, I just need to enable because I already installed and disable this package. In your case, you need to install this. So let me enable this and enable this as well. So once you add it, then go to your desktop or anywhere where you wanted to save your program. So let me go here. In my case, let me open my desktop. On the desktop, I will create one folder, C++. Inside the C++, I will save my all the programs. So I will create here hello world. This is the folder I created. Now let's open, if you are using Windows, just open the command prompt. In my case, and let me open it my terminal. Once you open it, open your path first. Now cd desktop one. In my case, it's C++, then hello world. So if you can see now I am inside the C++ folder and hello world is my folder name. Now we need to open this folder in the Visual Studio Code. So the shortcut is to open this folder code dot. Once you will press enter, then it will open it here. Now this is your folder. You can create one file here, hello world.cpp. CPP is the extension of the C++. Once you will save it, this is the one. So just copy paste that syntax to check if this is working or not. I have already write one syntax. Let me copy it. This is my C++ extension. Now let's run and see the output. So come here and debug. Now first time if you are using, then you need to click on this. First time it will add the library of the C++ in your program. Once you've done it, let's see what's the output. So this is the output, hello world. You can see here this is the hello world. If I'll put my name or any other, welcome to C++ and run again, save first, Control S, then save, then open it again. Come to the debug console, then you can see it. Welcome to C++. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.